Hello, everyone. Great work to everybody on the PowerPoint slides. It was very interesting to read the different events that have impacted Istanbul throughout history and how each of these events played a significant step in helping to shape Istanbul into a healthier city. In addition to the social protest and transportation improvements, I found it to be very interesting how the early power plants in Turkey were mainly operated using coal as their fuel source. Then, throughout the second half of the 20th century, they started developing more eco friendly options, such as hydroelectric power plants and power plants that are powered from waste to produce electricity. I feel that one of the most significant events was the presentation by Walid of how Istanbul joined the C40 cities against climate change in the year 2006. It'll be very interesting to see what changes the city is able to achieve over the next 7 years. Although changes to reduce emission ultimately benefit everyone in the population, the upfront costs are often very expensive to implement. These expenses are often incurred first by industries, which in turn make the production of their goods and services to be less profitable. For this reason, the idea of Istanbul joining the C40 cities movement was likely met with some pretty strong opposition from the primary producers of pollution. Although these changes can initially be very difficult to navigate, once the economy has had time to adjust to the changes, the prices and wages will ultimately settle in a new long run equilibrium. Since the regulations for pollution have been tightened, this new equilibrium is based on production and transportation methods that produce lower emissions and are much healthier for the planet. Great work to everybody with their research and presentation for these events. And I'm really looking forward to working with all of you on our next project.